Gavana kuma kaunti ya SIAYA niwe uikaine ta William Oduol agikorwo akiri munini wa gavana wa mbere bururi-ini wa Kenya kuma riria wathani wa matura wa kiambiririe gukorwo ahaguritwo kuma wathani-ini kuma wathani-ini maya magukinyanira hihi kana gwagikinyanira ati bunge ya Senate ni gukorwo ikihitukia kuhagurwo gwake na kuria arakihagurirwo gukorwo agicukirwo gukorwo akihuthira uru kigina kia muingi na kuria erikainite ati gukorwo akigura giti kimwe kia ofisi yake na muigana wa ciringi milioni 1. Reke tukorwo tukiamukira riboti iyo ya egie kuhagurwo kwa William Oduol.
Back to the resumption of proceedings of this sitting, I believe that you have had an opportunity to go through the report of the Special Committee on the removal from office of the Deputy Governor William Oduol. As you may have noticed, the committee has found the allegations of gross violation of the Constitution or any other law, abuse of office, to be substantiated. In particular, the committee found that on charge number 1 of gross violation of the Constitution and other laws, A, interference with the procurement process through acts of bid rigging, the Special Committee found the allegation was proved and therefore substantiated.
And Mr. Speaker, as an investigator, there is one thing that I want to report, that beyond reasonable doubt, it has been proved that our Deputy Governor, Oduol is incompetent to the highest level, Mr. Speaker.
I think that the kind of personality that my good friend Dr. William Denge has is not meant for a deputy. He cannot deputize anyone.
The fact that the DG tried to interfere with procurement process, especially of the fertilizer, this one really touched my heart, because this particular tender was reserved for the youth.
I want to agree that the Special Committee took their time, even against a lot of coercion, intimidation, and even threats, to deliver this special report, which will guide the operation of this county going forward. Mr. Speaker, one William Oduol must go.
Honorable Scholastica.
I vote yes.
Honorable Obuya Justus Oguta.
I vote yes.
Honorable
na tugitigane na riboti ciegie uteti kana kuhagurwo kwa munini wa gavana ucio wa kaunti ya SIAYA tukirongoreria riboti ingi